This is the shape we're going for. Let's just get started. A little bit at a time. I'm a fan of creeping up.
Let's check it out.
Come on down.
I'm not subscribed.
Little pipe anvil work here, you guys.
Oh, yielding has to
Show you how it's working, huh?
68 bar. Okay.
Let's try keep going until we screw up or success on the two. I see a screw up already.
You got me a shirt.
No, not really. Okay, good. You do a little bit more, then I'll get it in camera for you to see and view, better view. I realize I'm holding it off to the side so you guys aren't getting a good visual of it. Alright, so as you can see right here at the start, I can't hold it up and point it out, but you can see, line it up there. I'm starting to get the shape I want. But like I said, I'm creeping up on it. I can see now where I need to make some more bend. So, make some more bend.
Oh, you got the fancy one here. You got the floor shift and bucket seats. I'd pay extra for that.
You guys go check out Buck Does It, his lives.
The other day.
Go check out Bear Rose Garage Lives.
But then I have to deal with
they're nice guys.
You know, the crew that was easy to
Got pretty cool channels.
Starting selling like
And when you're tired of listening to music and all the garbage, there's something different to listen to while you're working in the shop, period. That's what it is, in my opinion. That's how it works for me.
Hey, does anyone want
Okay, so I need to pull down some more yet. We're on track still.
Let's go racing.
Just need to take time, no big hurry,
Who's there, Cope?
and work it out. Try to keep it as straight as possible.
I love nasty jokes.
Try not to poke myself in the throat. Let's see where we are now. I mean, it's not much difference, I'm sure. But I'm wanting to creep up on it, like I said. Bring it down just a little bit more. Okay.
That's the joke, by the way, right now. You know, he said that the other night, and I forgot it already. Sorry, John, one of my favorites.
Look at that.
So old McDonald says, I would pay extra to have foam and leather.
That's actually coming out pretty darn decent right there. We're not done, of course, but it's coming out pretty darn decent. Alright, now I need to do some more bending up here at the top. Further up.
Well, I don't know if I can pronounce all that.
I can just see myself decapitating myself right here.
Hey, there's
Need
just
the barracuda.
Our people. It's barracuda. It's a barracuda.
Alright, I'm liking that. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's obviously not there, but it's getting there. I like the direction it's going.
So, Buck, do you have to run? No, I only have, I think like 8.5 after one on that 455. I didn't want to have to run that high dollar gas. I actually just wanted for a cruiser and play around.
Too much.
So that's why
A little stinking too much. So,
sort of built that motor stock.
how do we eliminate that? How do we fix that?
89. I put 99.
Put it back in there and go with that. You know what thought just came through my head? Gene Winfield saying every day is a school day. I
Uh,
think I'm being schooled
J&J
by my own
saying,
self.
Pete's, Colleen? Indirect connection.
More yet?
Right. So keep an eye out for indirect connection.
Square it up here.
We'll see how rough it really
Right
is.
now.
Balance, what was
A little more pressure. Walk it a little bit. A little more pressure.
There's length is length.
Walk it. I think we'll stop right there and check what we have.
Go check out lately. He's been doing some welding lately.
There's a lot of checking involved. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I nailed it.
Alright.
Pretty much nailed it. Okay, I'm happy with that. I stopped right there with that. Other than, I think I'll take this on instead of try bending it on here, I think I'm going to hammer this section down just a little bit on bench, and I'll be on track. I really am happy with that. Really am.
There's Carter. He just had the data logger
And
seems to be
I
working.
don't know if you guys can see it or not, but I am on track there.
There's a little shorty put out.
It blows my hair back, even with the
Celebrating at the
cap on.
Dixie. Yeah, it's you.
I thought I'd bring it over here on the
Check him out. Here's his link.
template console that I built and show you
ELG.
a little bit of how that piece fits. And see, you can see right here how I need to bring this in a little bit. I'm gonna do that on bench with hammer. You can also see a little bit of a gap right there between the pattern and the sheet. That is because my pattern is not completely round, and like I said before, I come aware of it after I started making the piece. So anyway, that's how we use the bench vise anvil. I got the shape I wanted for the center console that I'm building. We'll have part 3 and 4 on the center console. Watch for that. I'm going to have some smaller projects that I do in between time. Watch for those. Hit like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate the comments. I'll respond to them as quickly as I can. I also want to hear your opinion on how-tos. If you see me doing something that you would do differently, let me know. I won't be offended. I'd love good advice.